Guys, I definitely don't miss taking the bus. Definitely don't miss taking the bus, guys. I've been at the bus stop for the past 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes. By the time I'm done, I might just faint right here because the sun is so hot. There's literally a heat warning, and you guys are telling me that you're not sending buses like rapid behind each other in this heat. That's crazy. Been at the bus stop for 30 minutes. I don't miss taking the bus. And look, sun hot. Look, I'm sweating. Yo, John Star. My phone is overheating, everything hot. Almost I catch a fire right there, so just came off the bus, guys. I had to spread this on the seat so that I don't sit on the dirty seat. Yeah, video me, I video you.
Oh, really?
Me, I video you. So as I was saying, guys, I had to put this on the seat because I'm wearing the shorts. So, yeah. I can't sit on the dirty seat with my skin like this. Mud. Well, let's go, guys. Let's go. Right now we're heading to the mall so that I can see if I can get something to wear for my party. So let's go. I expect to see nobody at Umba College. The parking lot full, everything.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
I like the outfit.
Yeah, you look nice. Neat and fine.
Sexy mama.
Sexy mama.
Professor of astronomy and astrophysics at the University of Toronto. She'll be speaking about the
Guys, I don't miss taking the bus at all whatsoever. I don't miss taking the bus. Let me jump in my car and drive where I want to go, because can you believe I've been standing at the bus stop for 30 minutes, and I'm not exaggerating, 30 minutes or even more than 30 minutes. I've been waiting at the bus stop for a bus, and the sun is hot. I'm not talking about like a regular hot day. I'm talking about today is a heat warning. It's been like that for the past few days, and I've been standing at the bus stop for a whole 30 minutes burning up in the sun. I could have fainted. I could have been dehydrated and I finished one bottle of water quick. Hot sun. In times like this, you guys should be sending bus back to back to back. People have to be standing in the bus stop so long. Come on, man. That's ridiculous. And then the express bus, they don't stop at every bus stop. They stop at only major intersection. And the express bus just zoom past we like we are nobody. We just stay there burn up in our sun, and they don't care. They could just stop. Days like these, express bus should be stopping at every bus stop. People outside are burn up in the sun, guys.
Or if not stop at every bus stop, have more bus on the road.
More bus. That's why I said in a hot sun like this, when you just have regular bus around, people are burn up. People are burn up, guys. Jeez. I tell you, it wasn't nice, man. I was at the bus stop for 30 minutes in the hot sun. It's like 35 degrees today. 35 degrees. That's 35 degrees Celsius I'm talking about. That's like 95 degrees Fahrenheit or about there.
36 now.
At 36 degrees now? See, 36 degrees Celsius now, guys. That's hot. That's super hot. That today felt like like in Jamaica when we say the sun a bake or a pelt. The sun a pelt or pelp or whatever you want to call it today. The sun a burn. The sun a do everything what it's supposed to. And now it's 5:51. Now it's almost 6 o'clock and the sun out like nothing. Let me show you guys what I go on. This is 6 o'clock sun. See? 6 o'clock sun a burn like nothing. At least in Jamaica, 6 o'clock the sun start go down and you start feel cool. But no, the sun come like it just rise, brother. But anyway, guys, I'm heading to the mall right now and going to see if I can get something to wear. I went to Arfrost Road yesterday, didn't find anything, and I'm gonna go to Brampton just to see if maybe Brampton I can find some luck in Brampton. So I'll bring you guys on this journey with me. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun because it's just 2 days left for my birthday. 2 days left for my birthday. It's just 2 days, 2 days, 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. I see people, I posted a story on Instagram. I see people texting me happy birthday. Guys, it's not my birthday yet, all right? It's just 2 days, all right? 2 days. All right, guys, I'll link you up back soon, all right? Bye. So we are at Bramley City Center. You're vlogging for me or you're vlogging for
I'm vlogging for you.
Oh, okay. So yeah, guys, we're at Bramley City Center. Come out of the road. The sun is hot, so I'm gonna hurry up to get inside because outside hot. What's up, Forever 21? First store. First store we are going Forever 21. Seems like I can get something, so let's see. Bossa dance, bossa dance, bossa dance, hey, bossa dip, hey, bossa dip, bossy dance, bossy bonks, bossy bonks. So there's a lot of music in the background, guys, and in order for me to not get a copyright strike or a copyright claim, I prefer to just mute this section so you guys can hear my lovely voice. So what do you guys think about this? You know, say I like this though. I should have gotten this. I should have definitely gotten this. Anyway, guys, please remember to like this video, all right? What kind of pants you're trying to get?
Black ripped jeans. Black ripped jeans.
I don't see any ripped jeans. I don't see any jeans.
Best
Oh,
place.
see some jeans up there.
American Eagle.
Where's American Eagle?
I think it's downstairs.
We can go then. This is for the summertime.
Mm-hmm.
See, like how the sun is very hot. This would be nice to go to the pool.
True.
What do you guys think? Should I get it?
Yep.
Next time. Next time. But this is really nice. I would wear this. This is the type of bathing suit I would wear. Never said a story about you see how the front light look. You must say, you know. Like, you're gonna put your best clothes at the front, right?
Yeah. You know, there's nothing else.
Look how her pitney sloppy and look how she hot.
Not us.
Definitely not. I just was in the washroom. I was like, I look at the little girl, and the little girl's shoes bigger than her foot and dirty, and the clothes that she's wearing is bigger. And then the mother come out hot, lashes done, nails done.
I hate those moms. I hate parents like that. My pitney have to look even better than me.
Better than me. I better me in the ugly clothes. Oh, is it Browns yes too?
Yeah. You say you wanna go?
wanna
Check
go
out
to Guess.
Guess.
See that blue? Look at this blue top. The blue top look with the white. I don't know. From the other day, it's like I like blue now.
You in love with blue?
Yeah, like we start like blue. You see me come out and I'm a blue, I'm a red, you know?
Very good.
Yeah, simple and cute.
Yeah, it's really nice.
That will look neat on you.
Especially with this white shirt.
Yeah, perfect. White and blue. That's for the winter.
Nothing that is a hot weather, yeah. Wrap on up. I'm just trying to find something. So I got a bun. I just went to Forever 21 and I found something that I really like. I'm just trying to find a top to see if I can find a top to fit it. So that's why I'm here. But nothing is really like coming out, you know? Nothing is really popping out. Ooh. But nah, this is not gonna match the shorts that I have.
What's this?
This is a blue, but remember the blue not gonna match. That's nice, but not gonna match what I want. And not for the party. Like this is too normal.
Yeah.
I want something hot girl for the party, you know?
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you. But not black, but you know, like how this would have some type of design towards it. The white is not bad. It's not bad. There's a $50 for this one.
Yeah, it's yes.
I feel like the music is gonna. This look like me, you know? This look like something that I would wear. This definitely look like something I would wear. This is nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the price on them. This gonna look like your pouch.
Yeah. I like this too. Look like filler. You going to check out Browns? Something like this.
You turned me.
No, the phone, it was recording. Maybe the storage full. Maybe that's why. Because when the storage full, it stopped record by itself.
Really? Do you want to use my phone?
No, it's okay. So guys, I don't know. I just said all of this in a video, but look like I didn't press record, or the phone, I pressed the phone without realizing. Anyway, so about now, just leaving the mall. It was amazing time. I got a few outfits, or a few items I should say, to wear to the party, but I won't be showing you guys anything yet. But on my birthday, I need at least, I'm doing 2 to 3. On my birthday, I'm doing three activities. So for each activity, I'm gonna need a different outfit. I already have an outfit for
Your grand entrance?
No, for the birthday. Remember, we were going to the place, and then we are going to the next place. We don't want them know nobody saying they pay my arm was throw. So for one place, I already have the outfit. For the dinner, because I already told them I'm gonna go for dinner. For dinner, I think I have my outfit for dinner. I just bought a nice red dress. It's so pretty. Feel like that's what I'm gonna wear to the dinner. And yeah, I feel like I have all my outfit for the birthday on the day off.
Yeah.
And for the party, I just bought some stuff, but I bought stuff. Yeah, I bought stuff yesterday, so I'm gonna try to see if they match. If not, if they match, perfect, I'm good. I don't have to do anything else. If they don't match, then I'm out on the run again. So anyway, it was a beautiful time at the mall, very nice. Right now I want to go to SVUP Sports before they close to see if I can find a shoes. I already have shoes, but if I could get a new shoes, that would be amazing. But if I don't get a shoes, I'm gonna just wear what I already have. It's not that serious, you know what I mean? But a piece of sitting when the mall closed and all of them carry I try come out. That would be something. But this mall was nice still. This mall is a nice little mall, guys. I mean, if you live in Brampton, but for me, I live in Toronto, so it's far. But it was, the nice little drive was nice. Where I come from. Oh, one more thing, guys. Can you guys please respond to the poll that I have on YouTube? I want to know when I should go live. I want to know when I should go live for my birthday. I'm thinking midnight, but I'm also thinking 2 p.m. Those are the perfect timings for me. But I also want to know what's the timing for you guys, because I might not post that video after the live is done. So yeah, that's why I want to make sure that everybody's there, so that in case I don't repost it, then you guys would not miss it. But it's still over here, so we did come on with first date. Oh yeah, that's so true. I remember now. You see, because I don't live in Brampton, guys, I keep on forgetting the places. But Brampton is Camera Boss place, so Camera Boss would know Brampton more than me. I am a Toronto girl. I'm from the, what you call that? I'm from the city. Anyway, guys, so yeah, respond to the poll. All right, respond to the poll, guys. All right, guys, so we reach. Did you feel this on the stair, on the
A little sweet.
a little sweat feeling?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
nice, right?
Yeah.
Wow, you see, guys, I'm learning something about the car every day. Every day I learn something new about this car. And guess what? We need water. I need water. Water. You say outside hot, and every time I forget that it's hot, right? Until I step outside. The Lord is around us. Far we are come from. What a journey. You see why it come off? It's because my battery is, my storage is full.
Oh.
I have vlog from 21, no 20, 21, 22, 23.
Wow.
Plus today vlog. So 5 video me have. That's why my phone battery, that's why my storage is full.
Oh, you have 5 in 1. Wow.
Yeah, I have 5 videos.
A whole heap of content for your followers.
Yeah, right now as we speak, I'm actually uploading a video to YouTube right now. You close the car door?
Yes, I did.
They close at 9.
Yep, that's what I told you.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry. Ooh, feels so good. This is nice.
This is really nice.
This is really nice, but I don't know if it's gonna match though. I don't think it's the right red. This more look like orange, right?
It look red to me.
It looks orange.
Really?
Look at this is red, and look, you see? I'm just coming from the SVP place. SVP, right? Yeah, SVP Sports. But I didn't really find anything. I didn't find anything that I like. I saw a red filler I like Fila. Like guys, that's my favorite shoes because it's very comfortable and it makes me feel taller. So it has some height to it and it looks really good too, and it's very comfortable. So yeah, I didn't find any I'll go next day. Me wonder if I should go LCB or go get one more. Yeah, because tomorrow more I'm at the jello shots. And since I'm here and there's a LCB out there, why not? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna just go to the LCBO and get. I feel like it's closing though. Maybe I have to run going there because it should be closing at 9, if anything. Should I just get one Ray and Nephew and one Malibu?
Yeah.
Yeah, they close at today.
Go check.
Tuesday? Today Tuesday?
Yeah.
Then close at 9.
But you can go check.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in now. I end up got the Malibu instead of the Ray. So guys, I'm just coming from the LCBO. I bought a Malibu coconut flavor. I didn't buy the Ray Nephew again because I already bought 2 Ray Nephew a few days ago, and I'm gonna just work with what I have. I bought a big Malibu, like the big 1 liter or a little bit bigger than 1 liter, and I'm gonna use that tomorrow for the jello shots. I already bought the jello. Everything is ready except I bought some shot glass the other day, but I feel like I want to change the shot glass to the suckable ones that you can just suck instead of like it's gonna be hard to come out. So at least if you squeeze it, you can suck out the jello out of it. So I'm gonna get the suckable jello cups. So tomorrow I can do that. I'll do that in my vlog tomorrow, and you guys will see what's going on there. But yeah, guys, this is it for today's vlog. I don't want it to be too extra because I don't want to fall off track again. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and bye guys.